Okay, this is number 47 on page 122, and I love this problem because, it's got everything going on in it. What you're supposed to do is, you're given a point P, negative 2, 1. And I plotted these, made a little working sketch, because it makes so much more sense to see it visually, what they're asking for. So you need to put a line through that point. And that line has to be parallel to the line that contains these 2 points. So if you think about what that looks like, you've got a line that goes through these 2 points that has some equation, and we want to find that slope, right, of that line. And once we know the slope of that line, then we need to put a line through this point at negative 2, 1 that's parallel. So this is going to have the same slope, but just going through a different point. So anyway, we need to figure out the slope between these 2 points. So I'm going to say that, change in y over change in x. So I'll go 3 minus 4 over 2 minus 1. So we get negative 1 over 1, so just a slope of negative 1. So this line is also going to have a slope of negative 1. So then it's easy. We can use point slope form and use this point and the slope. So y minus 1 is equal to negative 1 times x minus a negative 2, so I'm going to put a plus 2. And I'm going to add x to both sides, so I'll have a positive x on the left, a positive y. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so I will have a negative 1 over here. And clearly, if you substitute the negative 2 for x and the positive 1 for y, that works. So that's your problem 47.